Welcome to Bedside Confidence. Get smart where it matters most, between the sheets.
Supercharge your stamina, last longer, and rock her world. Hey lovers, welcome back to the channel where we get down and dirty. With knowledge, of course. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on a lot of your minds, and maybe your partner's too. How to last longer in bed. Forget those awkward early finishes. We're going to equip you with the tips and tricks to go the distance and deliver truly satisfying performances. Trust me, it's not about being a marathon runner. It's about being a skilled lover, so buckle up, because we're diving in. Let's kick things off with the most powerful tool you have, your brain. A lot of premature ejaculation comes down to anxiety and overexcitement. Think of it like a race. If you sprint right out of the gate, you're gonna burn out fast. So how do we hit the mental brakes? Number 1, focus on sensation, not destination. Instead of fixating on the finish line, really tune into the physical. Sensations. What feels good? What does your partner feel? This takes the pressure off the outcome and keeps you in the moment. To mindful breathing. Sounds simple, right? But deep, slow breaths can work wonders for calming your nervous system. When you feel that uh-oh moment creeping in, take a few deep inhales and exhales. It's like hitting the reset button. 3. The power of distraction. No, I don't mean thinking about your grocery list during sex, but you can mentally shift your focus slightly. Maybe count backwards from 100. Focus on a specific muscle group, or even hum a song in your head. It sounds weird, but it can dial down the intensity just enough to regain control. Alright, here's more. Let's talk techniques you can physically implement in the heat of the moment. These are your secret weapons. 4. The squeeze technique. This classic move is a lifesaver. When you feel like you're approaching the point of no return, have your partner or yourself firmly squeeze the head of your member just below the ridge for a few seconds until the urge passes. It temporarily reduces arousal and gives you back control. 5. The start-stop method. Similar to the squeeze technique, but instead of squeezing, you simply stop all stimulation when you feel that intense urge. Wait until the sensation subsides, and then start again. Repeat this a few times. It helps you become more aware of your body's signals and build endurance. 6. Vary the pace and intensity. Think of intimacy as a dance, not a sprint. Mix things up. Incorporate slower, gentler movements with more intense moments. This prevents overstimulation and keeps things exciting for both of you. 7. The power of positions. Certain positions can give you more control. For example, the missionary position with the woman on top can allow her to control the depth and pace, giving you more time to manage your arousal. Experiment and find what works best for you. Here is a long-term strategies and lifestyle. These quick fixes are great for immediate results, but let's talk about building lasting stamina. It's like training for a marathon. It takes time and consistent effort. 1. Kegel exercises. These aren't just for women. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles, the ones you use to stop the flow of urine, can significantly improve ejaculatory control. You can do these exercises discreetly anytime, anywhere. Just squeeze and release those muscles regularly. 2. Communication is key. Don't be afraid to talk to your partner. Tell them what feels good, what helps you slow down, and what you're working on. Open communication builds trust and allows you to explore together. 3. Reduce stress and anxiety. Stress is a major libido killer and can contribute to premature ejaculation. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through exercise, meditation, or hobbies. A relaxed mind often leads to a more satisfying sexual experience. 4. Consider delay sprays or wipes. These over-the-counter products contain a mild anesthetic that can temporarily reduce sensitivity. If you choose to use them, follow the instructions carefully and be aware that they might slightly reduce sensation for your partner too. Communication is key here. Now it's time to debunk myths and final thoughts. Let's bust a few myths. Lasting longer doesn't automatically equal better sex. Quality over quantity is always the goal. Focus on connection, pleasure, and mutual satisfaction. And remember, there's no magic pill or instant cure. It takes practice, patience, and a willingness to learn. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep experimenting, keep communicating, and most importantly, have fun. That's all the time we have for today, lovers. If you found these tips helpful, Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and engaging sex education. What? Are your experiences with lasting longer in bed? Share your tips and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring.